Number one is the Loomis method. This method is really effective because it shows you guidelines and whatnot and how to place, things where they're supposed to be. It helps generally a lot with drawing the head and how to place it. Number two is the basic guidelines. With the basic guidelines, you can use them to again put things where you want them to be, but it's different from the Loomis method because the Loomis method generally works with how you generalize when it comes to the head and how you break things down, but the basic guidelines is kind of like a freestyle thing, you know what I'm saying? And then number three is observation. Now this one is the tricky part because this one generally deals with freestyle sketching, just trusting your gut and instinct, saying this sketch will go like this. And for example, if you're drawing a face, the head will go here, the nose will go here, the lips will go here, and whatnot. So we're going to start with the Loomis method, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit about that right now. Okay, basic guidelines. Here's how you work through that. I have my reference right there. So now with basic guidelines, these are just basically basic guidelines. It's not that hard, it's simple and effective and a little bit scary because like I said, it's freestyle sketching, so I think we can get around that. So now we're just gonna basically generalize this by saying, for example, that's where the eyes are gonna be. That's the line for the eyes. The nose, and then mouth, chin right there, eyebrow line right there, hairline, and just like that, like we said, eyes right here. The last thing is observation. Now this one is really interesting. You don't need any kind of whatnot, because with this one all you'd have to do is observe. So here's how you practice. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna draw three dots. On this separate paper, random dots at random places. Let's just say one is there and one is here, another one is maybe, I don't know, there, or maybe 4 dots on random places, and one is there maybe. So after I've drawn those 3 dots, I'm gonna get this paper and I'm gonna move it out of the way, and I'm gonna try and replicate what I just drew on that paper here, and I'm gonna compare my accuracy. So the first dot was somewhere here, I think would be here. Second dot I would observe to be maybe here. Third dot somewhere here. Fourth dot maybe here. And I'm gonna get this paper and I'm gonna compare my observation, and it's pretty good observation. See how everything is kind of like connected to each other? And so it's kind of like same thing applies when drawing portraits as well. I will use these dots to put somewhere around the face. Maybe I'll put the first dot on an eye, the second dot on an eye, the third dot on the nose, the lips, the forehead, whatnot, and I will use this technique to draw a portrait. As simple as that. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.